there, have you seen or been to the Daytona Beach Boardwalk? Well, I was there yesterday with some friends and we shot some footage, and that's what I'm talking about today. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Veronica Edwards, full-time realtor located right here in Central Florida. And if you're new to my channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, eating, playing, sleeping, and a little more about Daytona Beach and the beaches, well then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Honestly, I get people calling, texting, emailing me all the time that are relocating here, and I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking of moving or relocating here, go ahead, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email, or even that singing telegram. However you want to get a hold of me, just know I got your back moving here to Central Florida. So yesterday I went to the beach with one of my friends and we were kind of hanging out by the boardwalk, and we took some little bit of bird's eye view footage for you. I hope you enjoy seeing just a little bit more about the beaches here in Daytona Beach right by the boardwalk. Please enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing a little more of our beaches here in Daytona Beach. But in order to find where you're gonna wanna live, the perfect place, the dream home, you gotta give me a call. Just send me a text or shoot me an email. However you wanna get a hold of me, just know I got your back moving here to Central Florida. Till next time.